Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, the unicorns which have corrected around 70%, be it Zomato, be it Paytm, have seen a sharp recovery on intraday basis. We have seen Zomato back to back 10% plus gains momentum, Paytm gaining some intraday momentum. Have they met the bottom? Are they at an excellent, or I would say opportunity price to grab for as an investor or as a trader? Well, let me throw some of the a couple of unicorns chart where I still believe that the bottom is yet to be in place, and this could be probably a automatic reaction momentum or the bull trap as per the Wyckoff theory. Let's start with the first chart, which is Paytm or the 197 communications. So the chart, if you look at the screen over here, look at the left side, it started falling since the listing. From right around 1800 1900 levels back to the first selling pressure, it was around 1050 1080, which could be termed preliminary selling. The second leg of rally, if you look at, which was again a fast and furious momentum onto the downside, being a selling climax. Why I'm terming it as a selling climax? Because if you look at the volumes onto the downside, the volumes are very higher, and when the selling pressure is the huge volumes, they tend to be onto the selling climax. Then we saw a bounce back, prices resisting at gap, which could be termed an automatic reaction as per the theory. We hit a new low onto the Paytm. After, if you look at, we went back towards 500 levels, 530, 520 levels, came back very strongly. Though if you look at the volumes, when the previous low, when the selling climax has been mentioned, the volumes are very higher, but at the same time, if you look at when the new lows were formed, the volumes were not that strong into the comeback, and the rally which has seen right towards 600 plus levels, 650 640 levels, seems to be the people which have bought at around 530 550 570 are exiting, because if you look at the one tick volume bar, it seems to be an exiting, because this follow-up selling has been very crucial again. So I believe, if I look at the Wyckoff theory, and if you look at the dotted line, which is the probably move which I am expecting to be as per the theory, where this is into the secondary test, and second post secondary test to the spring, prices might consolidate in a range. It might go 20% higher, fell back to 10-15% downside, and once the spring happen, then we could term it as a bottom. But as of now, I still think prices are post secondary test phase, and spring is yet to be made. So this bounce probably, it might be an exit for the longs who have taken, and we might see a new low into the Paytm before we head higher again. There could be an update from me where the prices action might form a bottom, but as of now, I still believe that it is not a good excellent opportunity to look at the technical structure as per the Wyckoff theory and a buy Paytm. The second unicorn, which was again the flavor of the day yesterday, gaining around 13-14%. Looking at the structure now as per the Wyckoff theory, again, right from around 165 170 levels back to the 90s 91 level, I term it as a selling climate, because it was a slow and steady momentum onto the downside. The second leg of rally, where the selling pressure was very fast and furious, and with the volumes, I would term it as a selling climax over there. And again, this could be the automatic reaction or the trap, where it could head probably around 85 90 levels onto the positive momentum over here, because if you look at the previous high, which was somewhere around 91 92, might get retest, and that could be the bull trap happen, and the stock might, as per the theory, if I just look at, still a secondary test is pending as per the theory, and probably secondary test can be at the lower levels again, near the previous swing selling climax lows. This could be the bull trap. So I would suggest still a bottom is not in place. And if I just look at, if you look at the dotted line which I have marked the probable move as per the Wyckoff theory, spring is yet to be made, and it could be into the secondary test phase. Prices might go into the consolidation for a few months now before we hit a spring at the lower levels and form a major bottom. As of now, I still think that Paytm and Zomato both are an avoid into the technical structure as per the Wyckoff theory. It can't be commented that the bottom is in place or it is a good level to accumulate. But in case the technical structure indicates that still it might go into the consolidation with negative bias, looking at the momentum, spring is not yet formed, which is very skeptical for me as per the Wyckoff theory. Till the spring is formed, I'm not sure that the bottom is in place, and if this brings the momentum is happened with the huge volume V-shape recovery, that could be the levels where I could think that the bottom could be in place. But as per the theory, Paytm is into the post secondary test phase. Spring is yet to be taken made. Zomato, if I look at, we are into the secondary test phase. Spring is yet to be pending. So as of now, I still think it might consolidate before heading higher, and it's for me. It could be the as an investor, I won't look for a buying opportunity as per the Wyckoff theory. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.